What's up, curl gang? It's your girl Lalaslim here. Today I'm going to be telling you guys the 5 reasons why you should not go natural. Stay tuned. I know I said I was going to tell you guys the 5 reasons why you shouldn't go natural. I was just joking. I'm going to actually tell you guys the 5 reasons why you should go natural. So reason number 1, your hair becomes healthier and chemical free. I know nowadays we're looking for alternative ways to use our everyday products, but with less or no toxins at all. So basically, if you're natural, you won't have to use like chemicals in your hair, like for example, relaxers, perms, texturizers, all of that. When you're natural, you don't have these toxic things in your hair. You're in a completely natural state. So it's healthier for your body. It's healthier for your health. It's better to get rid of those things and not use them. Sorry y'all, it's raining outside. I'm hearing lots of thunder. Reason number 2, you can embrace your natural beauty. No toxic stuff, no chemicals, all of that. So you get to embrace that. And if you're somebody that has children, when you start to embrace those natural beauties that you have, you can actually help them to feel more confident and to love their hair, all of that. So that actually benefits them. Number 3, no more expensive salon visits, and the natural hair is easy to maintain. You can actually do whatever you want with your hair. You can do your braids, you can do twists, you can do a lot of different styles. If you go online on YouTube, you can find some style ideas that are super simple. You don't have to buy hair to like add it to your hair to do it. You can just do it with your actual hair. If you want, you can also buy hair to put on and, you know, use it for your protective styling. Number 4, your hair grows faster. I'm saying this from experience because I've been relaxed and I've also been natural, for both of them for long periods of time. So I started getting my relaxers when I was like 9 years old, and then it wasn't until freshman year of high school I went natural. I just wanted something different. So I was like, you know what, let me try this, and if I don't like it, I'll relax my hair again. So I started, and I'm telling you, my hair grew so much quicker when I was natural than when I was relaxed. Like when I was relaxed, it grew, yes, it grew fast, but it grew faster once I left toxic chemicals. Like my hair started growing, flourishing, and I was like, wow, I didn't even know. You know, it did also help me to embrace the natural texture because I was relaxed for so long, so I wasn't really familiar with my curl pattern, you know what I mean? I didn't really remember my hair being like this, you know what I mean? Because I had it relaxed for so long. And it's been great, to be honest. It's been amazing. This was a good decision that I made with going completely natural. Number 5, you save more money on products. Who doesn't like to save money? In the beginning, you might be spending a little bit more. I'm only saying that because you have to try out different products, especially if you've been natural for a long time or always had like relaxers like at an early age like I did. So you actually won't know what is gonna work well with your hair. Like I tried to use some of the same products that I was using when I was relaxed. Some of them were good with my hair relaxed, and then when I tried it with my hair natural, it didn't really give me the same results. There's only like one go-to product that I've always used, and it's the Shea Butter Miracle or the Olive Miracle leave-in conditioner. I used it both relaxed and natural. That one was amazing, but some of the rest of the stuff, it didn't work out. It is a lot cheaper being natural, so you're gonna actually realize that once you make that switch. Now is the end of the video. I want you guys to do me a favor real quick. If you guys want to help me out, like this video, subscribe, comment at the bottom to let me know what you guys want to see next and what topic you guys want me to talk about as far as like natural hair goes. And thank you so much for being so patient with me. I'm gonna start posting more videos. I'm gonna start recording more. I just need to find the time, and I've actually set up a schedule for myself to be able to do that. So you guys are gonna start seeing more of me on your timeline. or on your YouTube stuff. Thank you for watching my video. Hope to see you guys next time.